Microcontrol, the felt finish. At the end of a conversation, meaning may be aligned while emotion remains unsettled. Close both. Before we wrap up, let me check that everything here feels clear and steady on your side. The word feels matters. Clients scan for unspoken tension. They surface doubts safely. You prevent last-minute drift. Closing a conversation is not administrative. It is emotional stewardship. Case snapshot, when closure didn't settle. A multicultural project team ended a meeting with intellectual agreement but lingering unease. The British lead sensed tension, the kind that later becomes silence or resistance. Before closing, she added, "Before we wrap up, tell me if anything here needs to feel clearer or steadier on your side." A Turkish team member spoke up. The timeline felt unrealistic, but challenging it earlier had felt disrespectful. The plan was adjusted. The meeting did not just end. It settled. Why this control matters. The thread keeper allows complexity to unfold without becoming chaotic. It lets clients explore, revise, and reconsider while knowing that someone is holding meaning steady until they are ready to return. That is not control. That is containment.